Did you know that the average adult spends more than 3 years of their life in the kitchen because of some awesome kitchen gadgets? However, I am here to tell you about 10 best new kitchen gadgets which can make your cooking experience easy and enjoyable. In this video, I will show you top 10 new kitchen gadgets. If you want more details of any product, link is in the description below. Number 1. Aroma Professional Electric Water Kettle. From the quilted texture to the double-walled body, the Aroma Professional stainless steel kettle is anything but ordinary. A double-walled body for fast, efficient boiling, while the outside stays cool to the touch. Unique quilted texture and modern color, making functionality stylish. The interior is made from 316 surgical grade stainless steel, so you can be sure of the safety of your beverage. Number 2. Calphalon Even Sear Indoor Electric Grill. Grill to perfection with the Calphalon Even Sear Multi-Grill. The heating elements and ceramic cooking surface deliver precise temperatures and create 20% more even heat for better searing performance. The high-contrast LCD screen displays countdown timer and heating progress for intuitive control. Metal construction and durable ceramic cooking surface provide long-lasting performance. Number 3. Smeg 4-slot Toaster. The Smeg 4-slot toaster's beautiful powder-coated exterior recalls the bright and cheerful style of 50s design. Engineered to reheat, defrost and of course toast perfectly. This very modern toaster functions with latest technology and features 6 browning levels. The powder-coated steel body has polished chrome and stainless steel controls and accents. Number 4. Aroma Air Fryer. Cook all your favorite foods with just one appliance. Aroma Multicooker is the master of multitasking. Designed to air fry your food without oil, this machine is also great for grilling, roasting and baking. Its 30-minute timer lets you set a precise cook time, and various functions accommodate everything from steamed veggies to a baked cake. Number 5. Calphalon Temp IQ Espresso Machine. The Calphalon Temp IQ Espresso Machine with steam wand features thermoblock heating technology and PID temperature control to evenly heat during the espresso extraction, and pre-infusion to bloom the espresso grounds for optimally extracted espresso. With conveniences like steam wand, auto shot control and cup warming tray, you can experience consistently delicious espresso at home. Number 6. Smeg Aesthetic Coffee Grinder. The Smeg coffee grinder has been designed for all those who want to savor the real taste of coffee and who are looking for professional grinding performance. With the Smeg coffee grinder, you can obtain the perfect grind for espresso machines. The handy lever enables you to select the grind level in a simple way. So whether you want an espresso at breakfast or an Americano to sip during the afternoon, this coffee grinder is the perfect tool for true coffee lovers. Number 7. Emerson Wireless Microwave Egg Maker. This egg gadget is basically using microwave to boil water which steams the eggs. Just add a little water, set your timer by 8 to 9 minutes. Wait and the result will be perfect hard-boiled eggs. One of the special features of this gadget is it can peel eggs. After cooking, shake it at least 10 times to crack the outer shell and make peeling easier. Aside from cooking eggs, this gadget can steam other things such as small potatoes and sweet corns. It's also made of dishwasher-safe material. Number 8. Progressive Professional Slicer. This gourmet slicer lets you select from 3 slicing thickness. Design the controls with simplicity in mind. One switch takes you from paper-thin slices to a slab cut. A second switch raises and lowers the integrated julienne and French fry blades. With this gourmet slicer, there's no need to handle or store loose parts or sharp blades. Number 9. Calphalon Simply Pots and Pan Set. Simply Calphalon non-stick cookware brings durability, performance and value to your kitchen. This non-stick cookware is perfect for dozens of everyday tasks, from steaming rice to reheating soups and sauces. Its long-lasting non-stick surface delivers consistent result and makes cleanup effortless. Silicone handles feel comfortable and stay cool on stovetop. Number 10. Presto Staffler Stuffed Waffle Maker. Cook Belgian-style waffles with your favorite toppings baked inside. Staffler makes it easy to use fresh fruits, pie fillings, candy, chocolate, cheese, and more to make delicious stuffed waffles in minutes. Just pour the butter on the non-stick grid and add the stuffing ingredients. Then add more batter. Close the cover and cook. Cooks in minutes for waffles that are crispy outside and tender inside. If you'd like to buy these amazing kitchen gadgets, get in touch via the link below and leave a comment below to let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.